Hello guys, welcome to my channel Educational Engine. In today's video, we will discuss about the receptors and their types. So, what are receptors? Receptors are the protein molecules in the target cell which are present in the target cell or on the surface of the target cell that bind to the ligand. Any error or change in the receptor's protein play role in asthma, hypertension and cancer, etc. The signaling cell will release a signaling molecules called ligands, and the target cell have the receptor on its surface to receive that signaling molecule. So, there should be a specificity between the ligand and the receptor, which play role in the accurate and the efficient binding of the ligand and the receptor. Now, we will discuss about the classification of the receptor. We have two types of receptors, the internal receptors and the cell surface receptors. The internal receptors, also called the intracellular receptors or the cytoplasmic receptors. These receptors are present in the cytoplasm and bind to the hydrophobic ligands because these are internal receptors. So, those ligands which can cross the lipid bilayer can interact with these receptors. On the other hand, we have cell surface receptors. These are also called the transmembrane receptors, having the integral protein that are present between the membranes. These receptors are able to bind to external ligands or the hydrophilic or the water-soluble ligands and are present outside the cytoplasm. So we have two types of receptor, internal receptors and the cell surface receptors. Now we will discuss the working of the internal receptors. So, first of all, we have the plasma membrane. In case of the internal receptors, what will happen that a ligand will come and interact with the receptor in the cytoplasm. Then this complex will get into the nucleus and attach itself to the DNA, and then it influences the gene expression. So these receptors can act as transcription factors. On the other hand, the cell surface receptors, a ligand will come and a receptor will present on the surface of the cell. So, ligand will interact with the receptor and generate a response through the signal transduction pathway, and then a response will generate and the action will be performed by the binding of the ligand and the receptor. If you like my video, share it with others and subscribe my channel. Thank you.